Imagine that you have this process scheme. We have a fluid that is required to flow from the vessel on the left to the tower on the right. This fluid has a given flow rate, a density, and a viscosity. Now we need to calculate, for example, the elevation of this vessel. We need also to know the expected differential pressure of the pump. We also want to choose the correct pipe size for both the suction and discharge of the pump. We shall see why, for example, the suction line has a greater size than the size of the pump discharge, although they have the same fluid with the same flow rate and physical properties. What should be the control valve pressure drop? How can we calculate the pressure drop to be in this control valve? How would the control valve affect the pump operation and the performance? What if this pump was a reciprocating pump? Would it react differently from the centrifugal pump? What if we are using a compressor? How would the compressor work? And how can we control its operation? How will this differ if the compressor was a reciprocating instead of a centrifugal compressor? What if the fluid entering the tower has a two-phase service? How would this affect our process? What is the recommended flow regime for a two-phase line? If any of the above was calculated in a wrong way, this could end up having a bottleneck in this system. It could also cause pipe vibration, pump problems, or simply can lead to a reduced flow. And in this case, we will not be able to achieve the flow we need. This can cause reduced production, which means reduced profit. And in this case, our boss will not be satisfied. We shall go through the answers to these questions throughout this course. We shall explain many hydraulic concepts and how to ensure a proper design that guarantees the system balance, keeps the fluid flow and pressure, and in all cases won't cause a process disturbance. In this course, there shall be guidelines on how to calculate the parameters we need, where to find the calculation resources, and this course shall provide Excel sheets for the main calculations so that you can use. So let's start.